Hey there, Lady Jane.
Good evening, Upchuck.
How you doing?
I'm well. How are you?
As good as ever, I suppose.
Good as ever, you suppose.
Something on your mind, Lady Jane?
Oh, you could say that. You could say that, Upchuck. Are you missing anything?
I don't think so.
Oh, really? Then mayhaps you could explain why Bartholomew found this last week.
A mask.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I can explain.
Oh, please do.
I was invited to a costume party. Yeah, a masquerade. You know, painted faces on parade.
Masquerade? Hide your face and the world will never find you?
Something like that.
I bet you were hoping I wouldn't find this. While I was tending to the peonies, you were tending to this new obsession. Don't think I didn't see the rest of that promo.
It's not an obsession, Lady Jane. It's just been a really stressful time for me. And, you know, that big offer, a one-time offer maybe, and you winning the World Championship, and it's just been doing a lot of self-reflection, and I haven't been feeling very super.
You've always been super to me, Upchuck. And I thought you would have been happy for me for winning the championship.
I am happy for you. It's just not very happy about myself. You know, I see those extraordinary superheroes there, and you know, with their cool outfits, and I look at myself and this boring, stupid janitor uniform.
Upchuck, I could get you a new jumpsuit. We could completely revise our image if that's what you want.
Well, great. Because I was thinking, and don't laugh, I was thinking about adding something to my ring gear. A cape. Yeah. It could, fly behind me as I, run down the ramp.
Sure, we could talk about that.
Well, great. And you could get your own cape, too. We could match. Yeah, we could fly down together as Super Sawdust Gentry.
I don't want my own cape, Upchuck. I don't want a cape in general. I wanted to be creative if we revised our image, not copy them. I don't want to be in league with that league.
I'm sorry, Lady Jane. It's just, like I said, it's just been a really stressful time for me.
Just wish you were honest with me, Upchuck. I mean, look at me. My elbows are on the table.
Oh.
Well, I guess you do have some thinking to do. And though I am not thrilled with you right now, Upchuck, I will say, good luck tonight in your match against Jet Sexton.
Well, thanks, because I will need it.
Yes, you will. Now, in the meantime, I think it's best if you go now, Upchuck.
Lady Jane,
No, just go.
I'm sorry if
Yeah!
Do you mind if I take the
I
mask?
just go take the mask and go! Out of here! Out of here!